Hello and welcome to Correlate Insights second video, and I am your researcher Yukta Bhaneja and of course your host. So today, as promised, we are back with the second video which talks about how consumer research shaped the hotel industry. And let me tell you, we had plenty of examples, but we have researched the top two and made it convenient and easy and interesting for you to watch. It's about improving your product, your services by actually listening to your consumer. And that is what the hotel industry did. But remember, your consumers might not tell you directly, might not vocalize what their actual pain points are. There is where the observation comes in. There is where you have to address what your consumer needs better. This is why they say deep research is crucial. So, take an example of these hotel chains, the five-star hotel. Who are the target audience? The business travelers. And what is their one aim? They conducted research through your basic feedback forms present in the room, analysis, in-depth interviews, and competitor analysis as well. And through this research, they were able to understand one thing. Business travelers wanted time efficiency. Everything on the list said save time. And how do we do that? So they felt that they are wasting a lot of time at the check-in counters. So they gave you mobile check-ins, which is why you're able to seamlessly connect and just check out or check in within span of seconds from your phone. Apart from that, the other problem that they felt was lack of a stable network. And for these business travelers, they wanted a seamless network connectivity to be able to connect to so many virtual meetings, which is why the five-star hotel chains that you see today offer you seamless network connectivity. Isn't that great? The facilities that you are able to now find in any good hotel, the Wi-Fi connectivity, the mobile check-in and check-out, customized services is all possible because somebody in the past thought, what can I do to enhance their service more than just customer delight and satisfaction? So, how did this help? How did this research help the five-star hotel chain? Increase loyalty from business travelers, competitive edge in the hospitality market, glowing reviews, and of course, this also benefited the leisure travelers. And by doing so, the hotel chain was able to redefine the entire hotel experience for any and every guest. So, in my case, too, I would be talking about travelers. You guess business travelers? Not one more time. This time, we're talking about leisure travelers. So, how this home sharing platform create a revolution in their travel journeys? So, as we discussed, for business travelers, it was about saving time. What was the problem for leisure travelers? Regular hotels were offering services. It wasn't that they weren't, but customers wanted something more, and it was found out in the research when they did surveys, ideas, customer feedback, reading consumer behavior while traveling, data analytics. The platform could then find out that there are some pain points. So leisure travelers wanted one thing, or I would say many things. Other than just from reaching point A to point B or sightseeing, they wanted a community, a local like experience. The food, the culture, what it is to be in the city, they wanted that experience. And that is where this home sharing platform came into the picture. And they understood that, like being able to experience the local like experience, which is what they did by adding community experiences, the local cuisine, and they also enhance the home like experience. What do I want as a consumer to be able to experience in another city, to have my own home? That is where they tapped, and they made your stay as comfortable as you were living in another city in your own home. So the consumer was then hesitant of, am I actually going to get a place there? Is it not a scam? Is it not a fraud? Which is why they introduced their feature of verified stays. So they ensure that you can sit back and relax and as they take care of your safety. Since they made these changes based on the insights that they found from the research, they were able to get a lot of advantages like the edge over the hospitality market, especially over your traditional hotels, increased footfall, increased guest satisfaction, making this app a reliable app for any and every leisure traveler. So, whenever you think next, how did research come into the picture? Where did it help? Whom did it help? Maybe these two examples from the service industry can create a better picture for you. In both the scenarios, we are able to see whether it be business travelers or leisure travelers. Companies, brands address their pain points and they were able to satisfy both set of consumers, whether it be business travelers or leisure travelers. So, what's your big takeaway? Consumer research is not merely just about collecting data. It's about understanding your audience's real pain points and their preferences. and then making the changes around those problems, creating impactful changes. So, whether it's a five-star hotel chain or a home sharing platform, both of them listen to the consumer, observe their real pain points, and always remember, do not do guesswork. Research, because the brands that listen are the ones that win. And that's how consumer research and insights helped and shaped the hotel industry that you see today. And in the end, if you found this video useful, please do like, share, and subscribe.